Okay, how do you find the cosecant of 35 degrees? Well, first thing that I want to tell you is this. You have to go to your calculator, make sure it's on, and then go to mode, make sure it's in degrees. It's not, so I need to move arrow down right there, over to degrees, hit enter. Now I'm in degrees. I can change my mode back to right there. And notice there is no cosecant button. We have sine, cosine, and tangent. So what I'm going to do is this. I have to know that cosecant is the reciprocal of sine. So I'm going to go sine 35. I can close this up right here and then hit enter. And that's the sine of 35. And now I'll do this x negative 1 because that will be the reciprocal and it will do enter. So I could do it that way. Or I could do this. I could go sine 35 and you have to close the parentheses and then do the x negative 1 and get the enter there. But if you don't close the parentheses, it will not do it correctly. Right? Now that's the way to do the sine like that. Now something I also want to point out, you cannot do this. This will not work. If you go second sine 35, and you can even do that there, you're going to get a different answer. Actually, we get an error because it's not possible to do the second sine of that. So you want to be very, very careful when you do these problems that you make sure you do the actual sine of 35 first, and then the x negative 1, or you put the negative 1. But you have to use x negative 1, not the second sine button. And the answer to the cosecant of 35 degrees is 1.743. And you can see it right there. Either one of those two methods will work. I would recommend getting the sine first and then doing the x negative 1. That way you make sure you haven't messed up on your problem.